Another pork.
I should have brought another spoon. I just brought like one.
Oh my god, you porker.
Yeah, and she likes that my fingers I'm like raising it and she's licking it. No, you need it from here.
Mooney. Oh, sorry, I don't want to interrupt her. Wow, is she getting it all? How much did you give her?
Like something like 1 teaspoon.
Oh, that's not that much. Tablespoon or teaspoon?
Teaspoon.
That's not that much, booby.
Well,
Supposed to get a table.
She didn't eat like this the entire day, so let's have her eat 1 teaspoon and then we'll add another. What's going on? There's more. And more.
Hey, baby. Who's that? Arr! Arr! Shit.
Tinkerbell. Come here. Come here. I'm not finished. What's this? Here. This. You like this?
You like this? Fucking Israeli.
You like
no,
it.
I don't. You like this.
You see?
You like this.
You see? You
His
like
father's
it?
Israeli. He's being pushy.
Here you go. Because you like it.
No, I don't, asshole.
Now, I'm gonna make you another thing.
Tinky!
Just to
Tinky! Come here!
verify
Come
you
here.
eat like an animal.
Come here, Tink! Come here! Come to me, fish. Come
Maybe we need to make brisket every
on.
week now.
What are you doing? He's looking at the camera. Arr. No biting, baby. See? No biting, baby. Don't scratch yourself. Wanna go get food? Go get food. Jump, 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 jump. Ooh. Come on, Tink. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come, Tinky. Come, Tinky. Come, Tinky. Come, Tinky. Go look in the mirror. Who's that? Who's that?
Go, Dinky. Go, Dinky. Yeah, you come for more. You like it.
No, I don't. You like it. Don't burn her.
What's this? That's the other shit. You don't like the other shit?
Give her the drops.
Here, Louie. Dinky. Dinky. It's like full of this, whatever. No?
I think it's time for the red stuff.
No? No. She just ate, so. Here you go.
Now watch this.
Don't show her this. The only thing she can think now about.
Give her some. Oh, okay. Let's move it.
Too soft.
Poopy, let's give her some red. You want ketchup? Ketchup.
No.
What?
Here you go, pussy.
Arr. Now bring it into the bowl. Lure her. Good girl. Is it? Kinks schminks.
Now you're medicine.
Tinky Bell. Hi, Tinksy. Hi, Tinksy.
Seems like she stopped eating the green stuff.
What's the green stuff?
The thing that they gave her in the
No.
hospital when we got yesterday.
The green
Stopped
stuff.
eating it. She's just eating the seed.
Oh, they said they were going to be finicky. She was going to be finicky.
So if you think she's not going to eat anything. Wait, this. That's the next. Dogs. You're not gonna like it.
You go eat.
Gonna like it.
No biting yourself though. No biting.